Good morning. I am Dr.R.SUGANYA, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the digital forensics. So about introduction in digital forensics, standard procedures, case studies, forensic soundness when manual processing is required, cloud forensics, virtual machines forensics, acquisition on evidence from a live source, smart environments forensics, conclusion and perspectives. Introduction. Digital forensics is a process of storing, analyzing, retrieving, and preserving electronic data that may be useful in an investigation. It includes data from hard drives in computers, mobile phones, smart appliances, vehicle navigation systems, electronic door locks, and other digital devices. The process's goal of digital forensics is to collect, analyze, and preserve evidence. Standard operating procedures is a agency unique documents describing the methods and procedures to be followed in performing the routine operations. SOPs are essentials to improve the quality and to implement the uniform processes for conducting digital and multimedia evidence forensic tasks in a precise, accurate manner. Overview. Here we can see about practice, law, and technology case studies. So, like from advocacy, psychology, criminology, investigation, and some best practices and expert witnesses. Collection and preservation. So, here we can collect some devices and what are the device ports and how it is being connected. So, how we can preserve it. And digital forensic analysis. Here, the generally third party specialized interventions is evidence collections, examination, analysis, and presentation. So, it can be done by the third party. Here, we have some third party specializes interventions. Digital forensic case. So, here the first one is forensic soundness. So, when HDs can't be removed and device needs to be powered on. So here we can see the picture. And here when HDs can't be removed and video of imaging and processing integrity of the video and is not being analyzed. Next is about logical images. When physical image of HD which is cannot be taken. So unallocated clusters like inoperative ESI residual data and which cannot be deleted like temporary files, then discarded files. And deleted files can be like user generated files, system generated files, application generated files, and temporary files can be like printer spool files, HTML files, and any unsaved file. Logical images, that is when physical image of a HD cannot be taken. It make logical image recovery from unallocated clusters, deleted files. So it can be like from supports and like cloud forensics when dispute related data entirely resides in a fraction of machines and like which we can have like from thin devices and it can be like pen drive, it can be cloud, or it can be search warranties that is from many armed and virtual machine forensics ink files or .dll files and like VMware files. So which that is virtual machine forensics. So many .dll files can be said as virtual machine and VMware that is can be used like we know that it can be for two operating systems. And live forensics, here we can see the image which tells us about live forensics. And the main thing challenges in live forensics is like technical and legal And technical can be like constantly updating the records where full disk imaging process enters into indefinite loops. And legal can be like in some countries, live forensics may fall under legislations protecting live communications and therefore avoiding the crime of eavesdropping. Taking still pictures of the server at a given time instant, the best trade off for acquiring digital evidence from a live source. A downsides of this technique, snapshot image is taken by the system administrator, whereas the image of a hard drive is taken by a digital forensic analyst. System administrator is involved in investigations. Smart environments description. Emerging environments such as ICS, that is Industrial Control System, smart homes, an analysis of the processes and resulting sequence of actions taken by the devices intelligently. Different than IoT forensics, where the focus is the analysis of sensors data. Data format of these environment is in different formats. That is, non-disclosure agreement holds the national summary, repository of real life case studies, flexible learning environment, better student experience, should have a higher employability prospects. We have to focus on the future directions and available to the students of other HEI and more sophisticated scenarios will be there. Perspectives, we need to work on harmonization of digital forensic analysis methodologies and the governing policies. So, like scenarios based testing, identification of gray areas, and mutual validations. So, we have the sandbox analysis like legislation, technology, and investigation. Thank you.